Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I am in Singapore and I've changed hotel for my last night. I'm now at the Grand Park City Hall Hotel, which is a 5-star hotel, very convenient location, and because my next morning meeting is here, so I'm switching to this hotel. So I'm on the club floor, on the 9th floor, which I believe is the highest floor, is a very beautiful room that I'm having. So I'm going to give you a very quick room tour. Okay, so just opening up to my right is the wardrobe with 2 bathrobes. Okay, I'm just checking out everything. So the safe deposit box is here, and the slippers, hair dryer, as well as the laundry bag, and all the paperwork is here. Okay, so this is the wardrobe on my right, and then the full-size mirror. Okay, and then you can see the tiles and everything leading into the bathroom area with a very nice bathtub. Okay, it's single sink, the towel's good. And then let's take a look at the amenity. Okay, and then the rain shower that they have, as well as the amenities. Okay, so you can see that open up to the bedroom. So this is the king size bed. You know, very thick mattress, very nice decor, as I say, and actually it's quite colonial in a way, and that correlate with the architecture and maybe history of this hotel. Okay, so now looking back, you know, actually I quite like the decor. So I'm just showing you, and then also with the ceiling fan and everything. So it's quite a spacious room. It's a beautifully appointed room over here. And then the charger, everything is quite handy. So that is the television. And then on my right hand side now, you know, which is facing up front, is a small table. To be honest, if I have to work here, the table will be a little bit small, but it's good for me at this point of time. It is a nice, cozy living room area, which I can possibly do some work, and then I can also eat here. But thank you very much for the welcome, with nice board of wine, and then some biscuits and some fresh fruit from the general manager. Thank you so much. Okay, and then on this side, they have the coffee maker. I'm just looking. The tea maker. Okay, or hot water. That's the kettle. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Because I cannot find the capsule. So that is the coffee bag, and that's how they make the coffee here. And then the kettle for the water, and for the TWG tea, which is very famous and very good tea here. Okay, let me double check here. Okay, so it's a fridge. It's a mini fridge. Okay, so when I check in at the club lounge on the 9th floor. The lady is very nice, professional, and also tell me because of the green initiative that they have, they do not have bottled water here. So I actually, during check-in, I pick up a Coke Zero at the lounge, and I just put it in the fridge here. So I have my drinks, or my room is very close to the Crystal Club Lounge. So she said I can always go out and grab the water and refill it. And then she also mentioned the water in Singapore is safe to drink, and they have the filter water. So that happened to me at the Westin Hotel in Singapore as well. But sometimes you are just not 100% comfortable when you're traveling to drink the tap water. So, that's why I put in a Diet Coke or Coke Zero in my room, just in case. Okay, so this is a room tour. And I'll be having breakfast at the club lounge tomorrow, so we'll show you more. And that will be my stay at the Grand Park Hotel in City Hall.